Learning Japanese kanji can feel impossible sometimes. Thousands of characters, multiple readings, and meaning that change depending on the context. It's no surprise that many learners give up before they make any real progress. That's exactly the problem KanjiMaster.ai is built to solve. It's an all-in-one platform that helps you study kanji more efficiently, stay motivated, and actually enjoy the process through interactive lessons, smart quizzes, and tools to track your progress. Hi, my name is Adil. I'm the developer behind KanjiMaster.ai, and I would love to show you how it works. To get started, go to KanjiMaster.ai and click on Start for Free button. Here you can continue with your Google accounts or any other email address. So I will select Continue with Google. I'll select my Gmail accounts, and that's it. You have an account now. When you log in for the first time, you have the option to set up your username. So I'll choose here KanjiMaster.ai as my username. All new accounts are on the free plan. The free plan gives you access to most of the features, but with a limited numbers of kanjis and Japanese characters. If you want the full experience, you can upgrade to the premium account, which is $9.99 per month with a 7 days free trial period. If you are just getting started with studying kanji, I think the free plan should be enough. If you look at the navigation bar, you can see the different features the app is offering. My dashboard, lessons, quizzes, collection, and dictionary. So my dashboard is the place where you can set your learning targets, and you can see all the different statistics about the kanji that you are studying and the interactive quizzes that you are taking. So here, let's start by setting our learning targets. Here you can choose the targets from the different collections that we have. For the moment, in the official collections, we have 5 focused around JLPT, the Japanese Language Proficiency Test. So I'll set it as an example, JLPT N3 as a target, and I can set up, let's say, June 30th as my completion date. Then I save, and when you refresh, you can see the dashboard changing with 2 options here: either start practicing your kanji or taking out some quizzes. To start learning, you can either click on Practice Kanji button or click on Lessons button in the navigation bar. In here, you can choose the collections you want to study. So let's choose N3 collection. And here on the left hand side, you can see the different Japanese words, so compounds, and kanjis. So kanjis are the individual kanji characters, and compound are combinations of kanji or kanji with hiragana. So let's choose, for example, one of these words. So for example, this one, josei, which means woman. Here you can see the kanji, the reading, the English translation, and the use of this word in a Japanese sentence. On top of this card, you can see 3 different buttons: Need Review, Familiar, and Mastered. So you can go through all the different compounds and kanji, and you can mark them in either of these 3 different categories. So let's mark this one as Mastered, and you can see the top right corner of the card changed to Master. So once I go and complete all these characters and these words, I will have the progress bar here going to 100%. To test your knowledge, you can use our interactive quizzes. So you can go to these interactive quizzes either by clicking on the quizzes here in the navigation bar, or this button here, Take Quizzes. So if I click on this Take Quizzes, it will take me automatically to the JLPT 3 collection quiz section. And here I can choose between 3 different types of quizzes. The furigana is basically the reading. So it gives me the word, and I have to write the hiragana reading of that word. English to kanji is English word, and I have to guess which Japanese word corresponds to that specific English word. And kanji meaning is the opposite, is from Japanese to English. So let's choose furigana here. Let's choose 5 questions, and we can click on Start Quiz. Here it will give me like different questions. So let's go one by multiple choice questions. So the first one is ikutsu. The second one is hikosu. Let's just click random one to see how it works. So for example, this is wrong, and this one is keizai, and the last one is tariru. So here I get one reading wrong, so I have 80% score, and here I have all the different details about the reading and example in a specific sentence with the English translation. To organize the Japanese kanji and words, we can use collections. So there are two types of collections. Official collections that is prepared by the KanjiMaster.ai team. So far we have 5, focused around the Japanese language proficiency test, and 5 being the easiest one and N1 the most complicated one. And there are also user collections. So user collections are collections created by other users of the platform. And for premium subscribers, you can create your own collection by clicking on Create New Collection button. Here you can put a name for your collection, a description. You can choose if you want to keep it private or make it publicly available to other users. And you can select the kanji and words you want to include. There is a search functionality to make it easier for you to search and look for the words and kanji you want to include. So if you click on one of these collections, you can see here the different characters, and when you click on them, you can see the details on the right hand side, and the same thing for the Japanese compound. And once you have the collections, these collections are automatically available for you in the lessons sections and the quizzes section. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find KanjiMaster.ai a useful tool in studying Japanese kanji. My goal is to create the best app for studying. So if you have any recommendations or feature you would like to see, please feel free to contact me.